Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to cut princess cut sari blouse with back opening and keyhole. We will start with cutting on lining. First, we'll cut back side. Length is 13 inch, shoulder 13 inch, from shoulder 6 inch drop. Now mark line. Take chest 31 inch. Now mark your waist 26. In waist you have to add half inch extra for dart. This is your armhole cut. Mark your dart. Dart is marked 3.5, lengthwise also 3.5. Then make straight line to take the dart position. Mark 1 inch up your shoulder and take half inch drop. Now mark your neckline, as we are taking boat neck and keyhole, so marking for boat neck, and back neck is 10 inch. This marking is for boat neck, and dewdrop shape keyhole we are taking, so we are marking as per that. Now we are marking for stitching extra fabric to keep inside the blouse. It is 1.5 inch from chest to waist, and we are taking half inch extra for margin while cutting. From shoulder to armhole. Now this extra margin is cut. From bottom also you do the cutting properly. This is your boat neck. Now our cutting is done. In two parts because it's back open blouse. We will start cutting off front part. Place the back side portion over a fabric. We have taken double fabric. Neck is marked, shoulder, then armhole, and chest, waist. This is our front part of the blouse. Now we'll see how to mark princess cut on it. To give the princess cut, we have to take margin first, and now we will take the half of armhole, mark it, and 3.5 inch from down, mark it, and join this part to take the center part of the princess cut blouse. This markings has been done. Now we'll cut the center part. Now you can see the center part of the blouse is ready. Okay, now we'll proceed to second part of the body, that is side part. The side portion we had marked. With that part only, we have to take the side part cutting, as we need the volume for chest, so we'll add the extra fabric in cutting. We are marking same part on fabric so that we can add on extra volume to it. Remove that side part. Now add the extra volume in this fabric so that we can take the side part with extra fabric. To give the extra volume, we have marked 1.5 inch inside and 3.5 inch lengthwise, and mark as a dart so that we can remove that extra triangle and add 1/2 inch extra to chest part. Now you can see the volume is added to chest area and waist is reduced. Now we'll do the cutting of same part. Now add 1/2 inch extra from straight side also to add the margin over it. Now we'll see the cutting. Extra fabric we have to remove. I'm taking 1/2 inch margin. See, your side part is also done. You can check it whether it is perfect or not. As this is perfect because this extra fabric we have to add on while stitching so that it will give nice volume to your chest part. Now we'll see the sleeve of blouse. Its length is 10 and bottom is 9.5 inch long. Inch mark is for length, for bottom 9.5. As we have taken double fold, so we mark it half of it. Now 3.5 inch minus from 10 inch to mark the armhole portion, and bicep we mark here. Give the shape of an armhole and add extra margin of 1.5. with half-inch margin you do the cutting. This extra shape we are giving of half-inch for front side of armhole. Now your sleeve is also ready. Now we will cut main fabric as per the design shown in this picture. Our lining is already cut. Now we'll see how to place it on main fabric and do the final cutting. This is full fabric. Now we'll fold it from center, and you can see that two borders are there in this fabric. So one we will take it for sleeve and other one we'll take for back. Now we'll start cutting with the back portion. You have to keep the lining which is already cut, place it properly and do the cutting. Back portion is cut. Now place the front firma lining and cut it same way. Part 1 is done. Now side part. Side part is also finished. You can see that the fabric is less for take full sleeve in that, so we have to join in one side. Try to put the joint at back side so that it cannot be visible. Now add on fabric to put the joint. Your cutting has been done.
If you like this video, like us, subscribe us and share it with your friends. Thank you.